Hello everyone! In the previous video, we prepared Zha Jiang Mian in Chengdu Sichuan style. Now it's time to prepare Beijing-style Zha Jiang Mian to complement the two popular versions of this dish in China. Compared to Chengdu style, Beijing-style Zha Jiang Mian is much easier and simpler. The meaning of Zha Jiang Mian is fried sauce noodles. For this dish, we only need Zha Jiang, the traditional sauce, which is fried pork cubes cooked in a salty, fragrant yellow bean paste sauce, then served with the noodles and some of vegetables. Zha Jiang Mian is a signature Beijing dish full of flavor and freshness. This noodle dish is so simple that you only need a total of 35 minutes to complete cooking and slurping away. Okay, let's get to it. Here are the main ingredients for this noodle dish. You will need a small portion of pork fat cut into small cubes, as well as lean pork also cut into small cubes. I used a pork belly today, but you can definitely use another part of a pork as long as there's a small portion of pork fat. Scallions, also known as green onions, play an important aromatic role in this zhajiang sauce. And we'll need about 4 to 5 whole scallions. It is preferred to use this kind that is like thick, large scallions with much larger white portion at the base. Regular scallions are completely okay if you can't find those large ones. And mince about 3 to 4 tablespoons of ginger, soybean paste, and fermented yellow soybean paste are key ingredients for this dish. We'll also need some oyster sauce, white pepper, and some sugar. Separately mince the white and green parts of scallions. The quantity of scallions is about 2 to 3 whole large scallions or 4 to 5 regular-sized scallions. And this is for use with a half pound of meat. Let's preparing zhajiang paste. In a bowl, add half tablespoon of white pepper, 2 tablespoons oyster sauce, 1.5 tablespoon fermented yellow soybean paste, as well as 2 tablespoons soybean paste. Mix all ingredients well together and set on the side. Now let's take a look at all the ingredients before we start cooking. We have a zhajiang soybean paste mixture, some sugar, minced ginger, and separate minced white and green parts of scallions. Over medium-high heat, bring the pan to hot before adding pork fat. This way, the fat does not stick on the bottom of the pan. We need to render pork fat until most of oil extracted from the fat and the pork fat become crispy. Then add in lean meat cubes and toss around for a minute. We'll add minced ginger and sugar, 1 cup of minced white part of scallions, continually tossing around for about 2 minutes. Then we'll add zhajiang bean paste mixture. Stir and combine everything together for a minute, then we'll add 1 cup of water. Stir for a couple seconds first after adding water, then we'll add another cup of a white part of minced scallions. Stir around to combine all ingredients and let it cook over medium-high heat until boiling. You can always add a little more water if it's needed, and here I add another half cup of water and wait until it boils again. Then turn heat to medium, add 1 to 2 cups minced white and green parts of scallions and give a stir, cover with the lid, let it simmer for a minimum of 20 to 30 minutes. So because Beijing Zha Jiang Mian relies solely on this zhajiang sauce, that's why it's important to take the time to simmer the meat sauce in the soybean paste to bring out the deep aroma and flavor, which is crucial. After 30 minutes of simmering, the sauce has thickened, which is exactly what we're aiming for. Add the rest of the green parts of the scallions, mix thoroughly, leaving the remaining heat in the pot to finish the cooking. So adding scallions in 4 stages is an important part of this cooking process. This way, we allow the scallions to gradually permeate the sauce and give a deeper flavor. And now the zhajiang is ready. Let's assemble the noodle dish. First, add the noodles to the bowl, then add desired amount of zhajiang on top. Vegetables play an important role in Beijing Zha Jiang Mian. They are served either raw or quickly blanched, retaining most of the nutrients. Without additional spices, the natural flavor of vegetables goes perfectly with a salty, aromatic sauce, giving this noodle dish a perfect balance. So you can choose from a wide range of vegetables to use as toppings. Traditionally, cucumber, bean sprouts, chopped carrots, fresh green soybeans, also called edamame, Chinese cabbage, celery, or other vegetables with a crunchy texture is preferred. This concludes our 2 parts of Zha Jiang Mian, Chengdu style and Beijing style. I am curious, which Zha Jiang Mian recipe is your personal favorite? Please do share your thoughts in a comment. And thank you for watching. If you like my videos and recipes, please subscribe, like, and share. Happy cooking, friends!